Yo, you know what I want? I want the beat to drop in, right? Like, now. Niggas be thinking I'm crazy, right? Yeah, you are crazy. I ain't crazy. You are crazy. At least I don't think I'm crazy. I think my shit is hot. I think I'm hot. You hot, but you crazy. Why they wanna... I don't know. It's the money that makes shit get ugly. It's the money that make these hoes love me. It's the money that make niggas wanna slug me. Man, I thought the money would make it all lovely.
What's up, you sexy motherfuckers? Back with another video. I go by the name of Lex, and today we got a special guest. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody. This is your boy, Pip Daddy, PIP Daddy 305. Follow me on Instagram.
I'll go ahead and put your Instagram name in the description so they can get at you. So today we'll be talking about getting started with Forex.
Okay.
And let's see. All right. So can you tell us how you got started? I know it's kind of trendy right now. Everybody's hopping on this Forex trading thing. Tell me how you got started.
Well, actually, I heard about Forex, I want to say about a year ago, from a family member, actually. And even though I do have a friend that I went to middle school with in Miami, he's on top of the game. You can find out who he is. His Instagram is Q Banks, CUE Banks with an S. And he's basically a millionaire, and he's basically on top of the game. And I just kind of watched him, and when he gave his mom $50K in a gift box, all hundreds cash, that was it for me. So I was like, you know what, I want to dive head first into this and see if I can make some money in this field.
Mm-hmm. So from the outside looking in, to me it kind of reminds me of the stock market. Would you agree with that?
Well, it's more complicated than that. I mean, you can trade stocks as far as Apple, Tesla, things like that. You can also trade Forex, which is foreign exchange, currency, just different currency pairs. Mm-hmm. And you can also trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum or just cryptocurrencies like that. And it's so many different ways you can make money in the market. So you just pick whatever niche that is like fits you, and then you just tackle it. You go at it.
Right. So I don't know anything about Forex, really. Only thing I know is the exchange rate changes like every second. I worked in a bank, so just exchanging foreign currency in person and what is it at this moment. So that's what I know about that part. But the way I look at it's to me, I don't see how you can even lose money. Say it does drop, just wait for it to go back up to sell. Am I right?
Well, it's a little bit more complicated. To put it in layman's terms, whenever you're trading, you're trying to go with the trend. You have to see if it's an uptrend, or people buying, or is it a downtrend, or people selling. Then you have what we'll call a range, which is also known as consolidation, which is kind of like indecision. Some people want to buy, some people want to sell, and the price just kind of just jumps up and down. So basically, the way people lose money is they jump in a trade and they think it's going to go down, and then it jumps up. The price, if it's real volatile, the price can jump all over the place. So you can blink your eyes and lose $50, and you can blink your eyes and win $50. So it's certain things put in place where you can secure your profits and not lose money. And you know what I'm saying? Such things such as a stop loss, which you can stop a trade at a certain price if you scared to lose $5. You say, okay, I only want to lose $5. You set your stop loss to $5, and that's all you can lose is $5. Now, will you win any money? That's based on how you analyze the chart and basically your entry point. So those two things, and your risk and versus reward. So those are three things that you would need to like learn to like maximize your profits and minimize your losses.
Okay, I got you. So definitely you want to keep your eye on it throughout the day, every day, as much as possible.
Well, it depends on what kind of trader you want to be, because they have swing traders, which people, they put their money in and they go for the long shot. Like they'll put money in and they'll say, I'll sell, and I feel like at the end of the week that the market should be here, down here, based on analysis. Or you have people that are called day traders, and they generally, you sit at a computer for work, and from the morning till whenever you get off, it's kind of like the same thing. They're just basically sitting there looking for places to sell or buy and make profit off of it.
Right. Okay, so can you give us some advice? Someone who wants to get started in this Forex trading, do you have any tips, any good advice to get somebody started?
Yeah. The advice I would give, well, a lot of people, first off, I want to say a lot of people, they hear Forex and then they think, oh, it's a scam, or, oh, do I have to get people in? It's none of that. The scam part may come in when people, they feel like, oh, I'm a day trader, and they really not as good as they say they are. And then they try to sell some kind of class or try to get people to pay them for teaching them Forex. But I mean, they have legit courses and legit teams with people that actually do help people, but a lot of people are just trying to scam. And it's wherever you have something, there's always going to be some people trying to scam or trying to manipulate the system. But all I did was I kind of got started on YouTube and just learned everything I could learn. And then I kind of just got a course and went from there. But, I mean, it's simple. It's all simple. People make complicated and make it seem like it's so hard, but it's not really. Basically, in layman's terms, if the price is going up, you want to buy, and then you want to buy at $113, and then it goes up to $200, then you profit. So it's simple, but it's a little complicated at the same time. But I mean, you get a broker that's free. The broker that I use is KOT Forex. That's KOT number 4 letter X. And basically, it's kind of like a bank. The broker just holds your money and it just regulates the money. And you get a trading platform like MetaTrader 4 is what I use. Or some people use Hugo's Way as a broker, another broker. So you just whatever you read up on the brokers and you figure out which one is the best for you. And then you get on the platform, and then you can even get a demo with fake money. The charts are live. And then you just practice. You don't have to lose any money. You can jump in and learn. It's always a good skill set to say, oh, let me just jump in the market and see what the market is doing and see if I can just make $300 or $100 a day. Some people, they trade and they take it real serious because it's the only thing that they do. They don't have a job. And that is their job, their source of income. Some people just do it on the side, just to have a hobby, or just if I can just make $50 a week, and put that towards groceries or anything, it's basically free money. The market is millions and billions and trillions of dollars, so it's a lot of money in there. And, if you just interested in it, I would say just take it on head first and don't let anything scare you or persuade you, or, just try it. I mean, it's a lot of people are in it. A lot of people are getting money. And so it's a good thing.
Definitely a great side hustle that you want to practice, learn the skills of the trade. That demo version, I'm definitely going to check that out. See if I'm able to keep up with this Forex trading thing that's going on. All right. So, is there any more advice you can give us?
All right, last thing that I would say is Forex it's like a process. It's like somebody learning to play basketball. Well, if you're first learning, you're gonna learn the basics. You're gonna learn how to dribble. You're gonna learn the game. You're not gonna jump in basketball and say, "Hey, I want to learn the and one trick." You know, it's levels to all of it. So you don't want to jump in thinking, "Oh, I'm gonna jump in Forex and I'm gonna make all this money."
Don't quit your day job.
Don't quit your day job
No.
thinking this is no. Get it down packed first, you know. And if you're on the demo, a lot of people, they get it the demo, they learn it, they get the demo, and then they start making money on the demo, and they say, "Wow, this is all." The only difference would be the money. It's the demo is fake money, and the live account is your money. You know, the lowest that I've put in my broker account to trade, I started with $10. You know, and I just inched my way up, $2 here, $3. You see people on Forex and they're like, "Oh, dudes on Forex, they make $4 and they like, look, I made $4. I'm finna be rich forever." But in a sense, that's true, because once you get it at a lower scale and you just practice and practice and practice, yeah, you're gonna make $4 and then $6 and $8. But once you get real good, that $4 and $8, that $4, $6 and $8, it'll turn into 40 and 60 and 80. And then once you get good at that level, it'll turn to 400, 600 and 800. And then when you get better, it just keeps going up. 4,000, 2,000, 8,000, like, and you just give yourself a raise. Once you get better, you up the lot size, and which is how much money per pip, and then you just move along. It's levels. You don't want to jump in thinking, "Oh, I'm gonna quit my job and I'm gonna be a day trader." It's a learning process. It takes a while, but eventually, if you work hard, then it's inevitable for you to like be very successful in it. But you gotta take it serious, and you gotta be patient. Everybody looking for a get rich quick scheme, and this is not that. It's a lot of hard work. And if you put in the work, you can be successful, but it is a lot of hard work. It's not something you just jump in and learn real quick and boom, you just start instantly making money. You have to put in time and dedication.
Definitely. So it's something you want to take your time with, learn, climb that ladder slowly. Definitely don't quit your day job.
You don't want to skip steps. You want to just take your time and learn everything, because there's a lot of information that you have to learn, and it may seem like a lot, and sometimes it may just overwhelm people. Like, "Oh, it's so much. I just rather just work my job, you know." But
there's no cutting corners with Forex trading.
Right.
Definitely not.
Every step counts.
Every step. So I'm going to put an example video at the end of this. It'll walk you through getting started with Forex trading. And I just want to thank my guest today for giving you guys $1 million worth of free game. So, put that to work.
It's definitely free game. I mean, I've been blessed to be connected with like maybe 200 to like 250 like followers. They're all traders, and we have this close circle, and everybody's like, "Hey, look at this chart. It might drop." And, "Oh, hey, look over here. This Bitcoin is going up." Everybody jump in, and it's like a team, and it's like a network of traders. And a lot of people are just trying to learn, and everybody just kind of helps everybody. And a lot of people just can catch on, and some people take longer to catch on, but you just kind of just stay in your own lane, know where you are in your journey, and that person might be making 400 every time they trade. You might make 40, but they're on a different level. They probably got it down packed where they can go up. You know, you just got to be comfortable in your journey and know where you are, and and just focus on your progress and keep your eyes on your progress, and don't let other people, hey, he's making 400, he's making 4,000. Why am I only making $4? Why am I making $40? It's just the level that you're on. Just do what you need to do, complete that level, and move on.
Definitely. So hopefully that doesn't go over y'all heads. And if you guys like hearing about this Forex trading, go ahead and like this video. That lets me know that you want to hear more about this. If this video helped you get started, go ahead and like as well. Comment if you have any questions. We'll definitely reach back out to you, create another video. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out.
This is Momo here, owner and founder of LucidFX. This is basically an intro video to show you guys what Forex is and how trading basically works. Now, if you're new to Forex, you'll definitely need to watch this video. However, if you've already been trading, you can just go ahead and skip this video. It's basically an intro video just to show you guys, how we make money on Forex basically. So, as most of you guys know, in stocks, you make profit when you buy low and you sell it at a higher price. That's basically how Forex works as well. Now, in Forex, what we do is we buy when it's low and we close the buy at a higher price. That's how we make profit. Or we can also make profit selling when it's high and closing the sell at a lower price. Let me show you guys how that works basically. So let's say we buy a sandwich here for like $10. Around here, we buy a sandwich for $10, and price of the sandwich goes up all the way here, and we close the buy here at $30. We make $20 in profit because we make profit of the difference from all the way here to all the way here. Now in Forex, we can also make money selling. Let me show you how that works. We can, for example, let's say we sell the price here at $50. We open a sell position here at $50. And over here, when price gets all the way over here, we close the sell position at $30. We make $20 in profit because we make money off the difference from all the way here to all the way here. And basically that's how Forex works. We just look through our live chart and predict if price is gonna go up or gonna go down based on the strategy we have in this course, which is mainly divergence. And I'll show you guys how to use that strategy to predict whether price is going to go up or going to go down in later videos. Okay, let's go into some more details on Forex so you guys don't stay confused. So basically, let's say we enter a trade. If this was a live chart, the chart came over here. Let's say we enter a trade here. Okay, we enter a trade right over here on a buy position. Okay, let's say we enter on this middle line right here in the middle on a buy position. Now if price goes against us and goes down, we're gonna be losing money. Okay, our equity is gonna be going down. However, if price is going up, we're gonna be gaining money. And wherever we close our position will determine whether we end up gaining money or we end up losing money. So if we're buying, let's say we buy right here at the bottom peak, okay, and we close the buy anywhere above it, we're gonna gain the amount of points, pips, that price moved. Let's say, for example, this trade right here, we bought over here, price went up all the way here, it's gonna be 87.6 pips. So later on I'll explain lot sizes. For example, let's say we entered a 0.1 lot size, we would gain exactly $87.6, disregarding the swap fees and charges and all that, which I'll explain later on in videos. But let's say, for example, price went against us, and came all the way down here, we would lose 54.3 pips. Okay, that's basically how Forex works. Now let's say we sell. Let's say price was around here and we sell. Okay, sorry. The wrong indicator right here, short position. Okay, let's say we sell over here. Okay, if we sold over here, we will make profit of the price going down anywhere here. So let's say this trade right here, we would have made 62.2 pips in profit. But if price went against us, we would have lost 26.2 pips in profit. 26.2 loss, sorry. Okay, so basically that's how Forex works. You place a trade and predict where price is gonna go up or gonna go down based on a specific system you're gonna use to predict the market. Okay guys, this is Momo with Lucid FX signing out. I'll see you guys at the next videos. Bye bye.